The sun came out, the skies were blue. The children cheered, there's fun to do. They ran to swings and climbed up high, like little birds that want to fly. Slides went swish and seesaws bounced, giggles and laughter all around. A bubble flew, then popped midair, while kites flew dancing without a care. Sandcastles rose beside the trees, painted stones and buzzing bees. A picnic spread with juice and cake, and cookies shaped like a duck and snake. They played with balls and raced in lines, drew rainbow roads with sidewalk signs, then cuddled close in story rings and sang out loud with tambourine strings. As sunset came with golden light, golden light, golden light, the children